With a recent streak of bad decisions, Disney has finally done something right.
Your attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. Oga's Cantina has been one of the most popular fixtures inside of Galaxy's Edge since it opened back on May 31st. Back when it was still reservation only, it was a 2-hour plus wait just to get your name onto a list that might get you in to Oga's Cantina. And if you did get in, and plus with waiting in line, you might not see the rest of Galaxy's Edge. So it was a very exclusive and almost rare occurrence to get into this new cantina. Once the land was open to the public, a new system was put in place, the new boarding pass system. Once you enter Disneyland, you could book a boarding pass to guarantee your place inside of Galaxy's Edge. Similar, Oga's Cantina did the same exact thing. Same day reservations could be made for Oga's Cantina, but you had to check into Disneyland. Just like when you check in to get a Max Pass, you have to be inside of Disneyland to make a reservation. So it was still kind of an exclusive thing. It was still hard to get one of these reservations, especially if you're not quick on the fingers. If you missed it by a few minutes, it could sell out in the blink of an eye. Well, all of that is about to change with what Disney finally did something right. And I'm hoping this will help other guests get to enjoy the cantina. It was announced just last week that Oga's Cantina will now be taking advanced reservations. There's a little caveat to this, but we'll get back to that shortly. But Disney finally hit something right. They've done something right. By allowing guests to pre-book their reservation, it is eliminating that 2-hour plus window that's getting taken out of your day. We all know Disney has been struggling with guests, and if 2 to 3 hours is being occupied by Oga's Cantina, guests aren't spending that extra 3 hours or 2 hours exploring Galaxy's Edge, exploring the rest of the park. So Disney's finally doing something right. Now let's get back to this little caveat. As some of you may know, when you book your Disney trip, you can book your dining reservations or dining packages 60 days in advance. Well, Oga's Cantina is going to be a little bit different. You get 14 days in advance to book your Oga's Cantina reservation. So for an example, August 19th is when we are going to try to get into the cantina. So on August 5th, I will be able to make my reservation, which is 14 days in advance for Oga's Cantina. So I know 14 days isn't very much in advance. It's only 2 weeks, but at least it's something. A lot of us didn't think a reservation system would come anytime soon outside of the one they already had where you have to be in the park to do it. So this will help ease planning and limit that disappointment when you show up and go, hey, I want to be the first one on, but there's always somebody faster. So when you get in, oh, I'm going to get it, and then you log in, you go to make it, and they're all sold out. Or you could be like us back when it was still reservation. Hey, I want to go check out the cantina, and it's a 3-hour wait. This will limit that disappointment factor if you're able to get these reservations. Now, if you're going for us, that's a week long. We have 6+ days to attempt to get one of these reservations. So this is allowing for that kind of peace of mind, that ease of planning your Disney trip. So as with any Disney reservation, there is no cost up front, just a credit card is needed to hold your spot. If you do not show or do not cancel within the allotted time, you will be charged $10 per ticket. So the only difference between Oga's Cantina and any other restaurant inside of Disneyland is the 14-day window. Every other procedure, every other policy, they all remain the same. The only difference is a restaurant like Blue Bayou is 60 days in advance, and Oga's Cantina is only 14. So this is a great choice by Disney. They've been on almost a bad streak lately. They've made some unwise choices, but this is definitely not one of those. This is a good choice to be able to allow guests to pre-reserve their space inside of the cantina. So be sure to leave your comments down below. Do you like this system? Would you rather see it 60 days? I have no problem with it being 14. I have no problem with it being 60. Just give me the option to book my reservation in advance. So that is going to do it for today, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you are at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi. And I will see you all a little later.